To help accurately position the door and window on this wall of the studio, I've created timber templates out of framing material. This way I can adjust the position back and forth until the client's satisfied where she wants her door and window. I set this window lintel the same way we did the door lintel earlier, taking extra care to make sure it sits flat on the plane of the outside of our wall. There's a couple of good reasons for adding glue in addition to our nails. One is it adds a lot of strength to the structure. It helps attach the top plate into the studs and down to the bottom plate. And in our case, we have this large eave on the high side of our structure. It'll help ensure that our roof stays on in heavy winds. I use the side of the roll as a straight edge to make 90-degree cuts in the membrane. I'm cutting my pieces slightly oversized so we can trim off the excess once they're stapled in place. I then trim off the excess with my Stanley knife.
You come and go like a monsoon rain. You have